Hello friends, in this video lecture I have come with significant figures, errors, etc. For very beginner of 11th class can use this video lecture. Firstly, want to know about significant figures. What's the meaning of significant figures? I'm moving with the help of an example. Suppose this is any scale. I'm taking measuring a length measuring a scale, but might be of any type of a scale. But length measurement is very popular in lower classes. That's why we are taking example of length measuring a scale. Suppose that is ordinary scale, main scale, and these are divisions. That is 0, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5. That division of 1 millimeter, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. One division is equivalent to 1 millimeter, suppose, and there is a particular line in this one. That is 5. If this line is this one, we are very sure this is 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one. This line is something longer than 8 millimeter, but with same degree of surety we can say that's a less than 9 millimeter. It's greater than 8 millimeter but less than 9 millimeter. So it's greater than 8 millimeter, we are very sure, we are very confident. But if you write down the length of this line is 8 millimeter, then something wrong. Why? Because this is something greater than 8. It seems longer. If you write directly 9, that's wrong. Why? It seems something shorter than 9 millimeter. That's of 8 and that's of 9. Right? So you have very confidence in 8. Very confidence. No one can say that that's less than 8 if he is not blind. But if you write 8, that's wrong. But our measuring scale fails to measure less than 1 millimeter here. Then, or make more correct or giving more accuracy, we want to guess something. There is no idea to guess this one because there is no measuring scale here to guess. But we have to do. How? Suppose this is 8.5 millimeter and it seems something less than 8.5. One friend can say that's 8.4 millimeter. Someone can say that's 8.3 millimeter. Someone can say that's no, it's something greater than 4 and less than 5. Then for accurate measurement, we have to write down L is equal to 8 point, I'm guessing here 4. But someone can write 3, someone can write 8.45. We are very sure with this 8 digit 8, but we are not sure with this digit 4. It might be 3, it might be something greater than 3 but less than 4, it might be something greater than 4. Why? Because there is no line which can confirm you that this length is exactly ending at 4 or before 4 or 5, 4. This. So for accurate measurement, we need a particular last digit to guess. In most of the measurement, the last digit is on behalf of your case. You are not confronted with the help of these measuring scales. Okay. And now, with our own expertized mentality, we are confirmed that we can write this one. That's more accurate. If a measurement has greater number of digits, it means that that measurement is more accurate. The number of digits, the number of significant digits indicate the accuracy of measurement. The greater number of significant digits implies the greater accuracy in the measurement. So what's the definition of significant figure? If you write down only 8, that's not more accurate. If you write down this 9, that's not accurate. But you have to guess this number, and that is accurate. If someone is very, very expert, he has very, very experience of measuring length, then he can divide this 1/10 of millimeter again in 10 equal divisions. And then you can write, oh, that's equals to something greater than 4. So 8.43 or 42 millimeter is more accurate. If anyone is able to write down more accurately, you can 8.43. That's not 5. That's not 4, 5, but it is something less than 4.5. So that is 4.3. It has greater number of digits to express the measurement in millimeter, so it has greater number of significant. So definition of significant figure. Definition of significant figure. It is these are digits in which we have confidence along with one more digit without confidence. Without confidence. There would be some digits with confidence. There would be approximately last digit without confidence. This last digit without confidence will make the measurement more accurate. In spite of confidence, it makes measurement more accurate. So it is needed to write down. This is significant. There are some rules to count significant figures. We are going to study the rule to count the significant figures. Rules to count significant figures. First thing, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are sure significant. Suppose that is any x equals to 2, 3, 4, 1. There are 4 non-zero digits and they are all they all are significant. Second thing, all zeros in between non-zero zero digits are significant. Suppose there is number y equals to 2, 8, 0, 9, 5. There are 5 non-zero digits. Sure, these non-zero digits are significant. This 0 in between these two, in between these non-zero digits are confident, significant. So this 0 is also significant, and totally 5 significant figures are present here. Next one, next number of rule, third one. All zeros before first non-zero digits are not significant. Are not significant. Suppose there is a number x equals to 0.084. In this measurement there are 4 digits, but out of these 4 only these 2 are significant. These zeros are not significant. Why? They are before this first non-zero digit 8. With or without decimal, these all are not significant. Next one, fourth one, all zeros after last non-zero digits are not significant if they do not come from measurement and decimal is not present. What does it mean? Suppose this is 51300. There are 5 digits, but out of these 5, only these 3 are significant. Zeros after last non-zero digit are not significant if this number has no decimal. Second thing, this value does not come directly from measurement. Suppose this is line and this line is 10 centimeter. This 0 appears due to direct measurement, not due to conversion of units, etc. So this 0 of 10 centimeter, this 0 will be significant in spite of being end of the last non-zero digit 1. If this 0 of last, this 0 after the last digit of non-zero comes from directly measurement, that will be significant, but it comes due to another reason, due to change in unit, etc., then it will not be significant. But if decimal appears, it will be significant. This is rule for without decimal. Decimal is not present. I can write fifth one. In the same way, all zero digits, all zeros after last non-zero digit are significant if they are significant if decimal is present. For example, I'm writing 5 1.023 100. There is decimal. I'm writing this 5 points. Decimal. So how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These two zeros are at the end of last non-zero digit, but they are significant. The total number of significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 significant digits. Are present here. If decimal is not present, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 digits are significant. But after presence of decimal, the zeros appearing at the end after last non-zero digit are assumed significant. Next one. Next one, zeros appearing due to power of 10 are not significant. Are not significant. For example, 2.3 into 10 to the power 5, it has only two non-zero digits. Sorry, it has only two significant digits. Two significant digits. These zeros due to power of 10 would not be counted as significant figures. So these are rules to count significant figures. I hope you can understand this. कितना टाइम हो गया? चलो रहने दो, वैष्णवी।